When fixing electronics, you often need to solder parts. The AKTAKOM ASE-1107 soldering station is a great tool for the job, perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. The AKTAKOM ASE-1107 soldering station provides precise temperature setting, meeting the highest reliability demands. Plus, this soldering station is ESD safe. With an integrated grounding circuit, it removes static electricity, protecting sensitive components from damage. Need to mount or remove SMD components? No problem. Just connect the AKTAKOM ASE-1209 soldering tweezers to this soldering station. With a wide range of replaceable tips designed for a variety of electronic components, you can work with all circuit boards. Discover the AKTAKOM ASE-1107 and experience the difference professional precision makes.